is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that rolls on the ground. C is for cat that says meow meow. D is for dog that barks right now. E is for elephant, big and gray. Come learn letters every day. F is for fish that swims so fast. G is for goat that's chewing grass. H is for hat that sits on your head. I is for igloo, icy and red. J is for jelly, jiggly and sweet. So many letters, isn't that neat? K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a loud roar cry. M is for monkey swinging in trees. N is for nest that holds baby geese. O is for octopus under the sea. What a fun alphabet journey with me. P is for penguin waddling slow. Q is for queen with a golden glow. R is for robot saying beep beep. S is for stars that twinkle in sleep. T is for tiger strong and bold. So many letters left to unfold. U is for umbrella, open wide. V is for van that we can ride. W is for whale with a giant tail. X is for xylophone making a scale. Y is for yo-yo spinning around. Z is for zebra, black and brown.